everyone, so today I'm going to be making a Bombay sandwich. So the ingredients you need is 2 slices of cheese. I usually use shredded, but today I don't have it, so this kind will do. I'm going to be using some black pepper, some ketchup, some paneer that I have roasted, some bread, 2 pieces, some salt, garam masala and red chili powder, some butter, some bhujia, some chopped onion, 1 potato that I have boiled and sliced, and some cilantro and mint chutney that I have made last time, which is also in the link down below. So let's get started. Welcome back everyone. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to be putting butter on both of these slices of bread. Not too much, just a little bit. There we go. And on this side. And so what we're going to do after is we're going to use the side that we put the butter onto, we're going to use that side to put our stuff on. So I put my butter on this side of the bread and I'm going to be putting some ketchup on it. You can put as much as you want, as for taste, and some of my cilantro and mint chutney. And just kind of spread it around. Spread it a bit. Take more if you need it. Now these, they give it a awesome taste in the sandwich. There we go. And now what we are going to do is we are going to put our potatoes, as you can see. You can also put your cheese slice on if you want first, which is what I'm going to do, but you don't have to put it here. This is optional. And we're going to put our potatoes on now. Just kind of spread them out so that they cover every part of the sandwich, because potatoes also give the sandwich a good taste. Like that. And now we're going to be putting our paneer. Like that. Just kind of move it around so that kind of fills the bread. And now we're going to be putting our onion. Not too much, just like that. And we are going to be putting salt as per taste, 1 pinch of garam masala, and 1 pinch of red chili powder. And now what we're going to do is take the butter side and put it on top, and you can also put a cheese slice in between, like this on top. And now we are going to take the butter side and put it on top, like this. So one of the butter sides on top and one of the butter sides are in between. And I'm going to put them in my sandwicher now, and I will see you once it's done. Hi everyone, welcome back. So as you can see, my sandwich is now toasted, and for decoration, I'm going to put some of the cilantro-mint chutney, only a little bit. This is only just to decorate it, make it look a bit nice. Here we go. And over top, we're going to sprinkle some bhujia. And you can put as much as you want or as little as you want. your choice. There we go, and I've already cut my sandwich in half. And you're going to cut it in half so it'll look like that, and you can give it on a side of ketchup. And enjoy! And that's a Bombay sandwich, which you can enjoy after. So that was it. That's it for today. See you next time. Bye!